In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume level on the VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple of different ways. You could select the audio tab at the top and select increase volume. You can also select the little scroll bar at the bottom to increase or decrease volume. And that's pretty much it, guys. So once you have that, you can also sometimes use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard as well. So that can also increase or decrease volume if you have that on your keyboard. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.